Welcome to allplan QuickStart. I'm glad that you're trying out allplan, would like to find out more about the philosophy of allplan, or just want to be creative. Allplan is a powerful BIM tool and you're taking your first steps into the BIM world with allplan QuickStart. Allplan QuickStart is the gateway into the creation and subsequent use of a 3D building model. A 3D building model is the most important prerequisite for using the BIM planning method. With allplan, you're on the right path right from the start. In the allplan QuickStart, I'll show you how to model a building and then how to use the many advantages of this 3D building model. To do this, let's take a look at a couple of basics in allplan beforehand, such as the allplan user interface, the structure in which you organize your drawn components, and we'll briefly cover the issue of what a drawing file is. In the main part of allplan QuickStart, we will cover the creation of the 3D building model. We will start with the simple import of a site plan and then together, step by step, create a component from every component group. In this way, you will get a feeling for how to handle the allplan components. I will then add the missing components for you, and in this way, the finished QuickStart model will be created. In the second part, we will then come to the added value that the allplan 3D model offers you. The allplan 3D model namely allows you to not only participate in BIM projects, but also offers you significant benefits directly for your daily tasks, which a 2D working manner cannot provide. These benefits consist of so-called derived objects, which allplan generates for you from the 3D model. What derived objects are there? In the allplan QuickStart, we focus on the following derived objects: views and sections that allplan automatically generates from the model data and that you can generate with your very personal handwriting. Then the so-called reports, for the mass determination and output of calculations directly from the model. From the quantity determination of the drawn components, to the room schedules, to the living spaces or gross space content calculations. You can look forward to more than 200 supplied reports that are waiting to be used by you. Of course, the topic of layout output cannot be missed. We will create a plan and a PDF file as an example in QuickStart. The third part of the QuickStart series gives you an overview of the powerful engineering tools. Gain insight into how to create detailed plans for a model created by an architect. Learn how to create complex reinforcement details and extrude them along an element while keeping the placement fully parametric. Another solution is to use Python parts, which automatically generate a 3D reinforcement without writing a single line of code. The steel construction lesson shows how an engineer can quickly model elements using allplan's extensive steel profile library. To insert a column, simply drag and drop the desired profile onto a base plate. The created assembly groups can easily be extended, moved and copied to complete the steel structure. One of the innovative BIM functions for engineers will also be presented. The building model created in allplan can be converted into an analysis model in SIA Engineer via IFC. The design in SIA is based on Eurocode and the results are exported to allplan as ISO lines of the required reinforcement. The final reinforcement in allplan is based on the theoretically required reinforcement. The system can also provide an automatic solution containing all details with corresponding bending lists. The reinforcement of large area elements, as well as the reinforcement of the most complex concrete forms, is dedicated to the last two lessons. Reinforcement details such as wall connections can be taken from the library and automatically adapt to the 3D model. Everything is and remains parametric. Changes can be made at any time either via the Properties palette or directly by dragging the handles. You'll also see how accurate Allplan is in creating reinforcements for even the most demanding forms of creative architects. Finally, the reinforcement information is exported as a report to the rebar manufacturer. We hope this short overview has convinced you to take a look at the full lessons to take maximum advantage of the free 30-day trial. You can start directly with the User Interface lesson of the Allplan QuickStart series to learn more about the Allplan user interface.